Something that's really interesting about this clock, which I really don't see very often. In fact, I believe this is the first one I've worked with, but this is called a floating balance. So instead of a pendulum, it has this mechanism, and it works a lot like how watches work. So with a watch, you'll have a balance wheel, which is what that wheel is in the center, and then you'll have what they call a hairspring. Now this is a very elongated, like when you're taking a watch apart and you're pulling out the hairspring, it kind of does this expansion thing that this just looks like it's in a constant state of. But if we can get real close there, hold on. Right, so there's a little lever that interacts with these spines attached to the balance wheel. And then right here, you can barely see it, is the escape wheel. So it's fascinating to see this on a mantel clock and anything that's not miniaturized into a watch.